What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today in this video I'm going to introduce with you guys one application which is modded application of course, and which is Dollify. And you can create images like boys and girls to make profile picture on Instagram and Facebook, any social application. So now let's get started from the installation process. In this installation process we need one application which is APK Modi. You guys can see here the application. You guys can get that application from the Play Store. Just go to Play Store and download that application, and then after open that application and you guys will see here the install APKs and install OBB. So for that application we need one APK and OBB file so that we can install by using that application. First of all, click on install APKs and navigate to the folder. You guys can see here the application name Dollify mode. So select the APK file and select to installation. So you guys can see application is installing here, and just press on install and installing. So the message pop-ups here, Dollify has been installed. Now click on OK. Now click on install OBB. Now again navigate to the folder Dollify, and you guys can see here the zip file. Just select that zip file and select, and it will unzip, and the process has done. So Dollify install, let me show you. So here is the application Dollify. Just open the application. Now it will work. So allow all the permission.
Hey there,
So
subscribe to my channel
user interface
and also press this bell icon.
So girl and boy. So if you are boy, then select on that. So every customization is available here. If you download that Dollify application from Play Store, you won't get the free version. You need to pay. So if you download from the link in the description, you can change that character as you want. Eyes, if you want two colors, just select on that. And of course you can create a good thing, and every dress up, everything is unlocked here. So let me click on that, and the hairstyle, you guys can see so many hairstyle. Every hairstyle is unlocked here. In fact, everything is unlocked in that particular application. And I'm really sorry for the noise. Every icon you guys can customize here, and you guys can see here the beard. So it looks good. I'll keep that up. And dress up is good, and you guys can select those things also as well. And now the lips, you can select which one you want, no issues. And if you want the tint, so you can customize as you want. So that's the actual way actually you can customize. Everything you need is here available. So that's the process. And if you want to save that image, just click on there and just click on tick, and your image is ready here, and you can download from here. Success. Now you can get that picture on your gallery application. So that's the process actually guys. In that way you guys can use that application. And if you guys really like that video, then do subscribe and hit the bell icon and never miss any update. Thank you for watching.